Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and opening the project you want to share. Make sure sprites, sounds, and scripts run without errors so viewers see a polished result. Once done, set a concise title and write short instructions explaining how to use or play your project. Then pick a thumbnail by pausing at a representative frame so people know what to expect. These steps save time later and make your project look intentional and usable to the Scratch community. Now you configure details that control who sees and can interact with your work. You should choose public visibility to share or keep it private for more edits. Make that decision based on readiness. Next, add relevant tags and pick the correct category so searchers and curators can discover your project. Also review remix permissions, and, if you used others' assets, add credit in the Notes and Credits area. This helps respect creators and allows healthy collaboration on Scratch. When everything looks good, click Share to publish your project to your profile and the community. After sharing, test the project by opening its page, playing it, and checking that links work. You can also use another account or an incognito window to validate public access. If the project fails to load, make sure scripts are not blocked, large assets finished uploading, and then clear your browser cache and reload. That single troubleshooting step fixes most visibility or playback problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.